In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Bybit account. Head to bybit.com or download the app. Head to the sign up button and then enter all the required information. Keep in mind that you need to have a working ID and you need to be in the legal age. For the password, please use something that's randomly generated. I suggest that you use passwordgenerator.com. After having either your mobile or your email, create the account. You can see that if you are a resident or national of the foreign restricted countries, here are the list of them. So for me, it will be no, I am not. As you can see, here's the verification. I'm going to pass this. It's pretty simple verification. And then I will have to verify using my email. If you used your phone number, you are going to receive a code in it. As you can see, here is my verification. And you can choose what's your situation. For me, I'm pretty experienced with crypto exchanges and I already know what's going on. You can earn up to $3,030 when you complete simple tasks on Bybit. It's that easy. You can either deposit or buy crypto. Keep in mind that for you to be able to deposit a lot of money, you need to verify using your ID, passport, or driving license. That's it for today's video, and goodbye.